Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Quantify. I'm going to show you the process of creating a TXT file so you can use it within the import features in Quantify. Let's get started. When it comes to importing within Quantify, as there's lots of areas what you can import into with your products or your quantities or price, each import has its own preference. Okay, so for instance, if I go into rate profile, I want to add a rate profile, and then I want to import into this new rate profile that I'm creating. I can go into change and then import from file. Okay, so each file that needs to be imported in, the format is a TXT. Okay, so for my rate profile, it needs 5 columns. Okay, which is a part number, rent, price, sell price, job cost, and replacement cost. Okay, so create the file within Excel, and then you can import it in. So I'm going to show you the process now, and what I'm going to create is a branch import for my new products. Okay, so for an import for my new products, all I need is 2 columns, okay, which is my product number and the quantities of what I'm adding in. So I'm going to use the file previously downloaded from my product catalog, which I'll link in the description regarding the video of exporting this document. So I'm going to strip this down because it has all my product codes. Okay, this is the easiest way to do it. So I don't need any columns, so I'm going to delete them off, and then I'm going to get rid of all these, delete them, and then I'm just going to get rid of my borders. So all I'm left with is my product codes. Okay, so now all I need to add in my quantities. Okay, so all I'm going to do is add in my quantities. There you go. These are all my quantities that I'm adding into my new import for my products for my branch. Okay, so that's all I need. I don't need to put any headers. Okay, just me product codes and the quantities. Then all I'm going to do is go into file. I'm going to save a copy, and then I'm going to save it as TXT file. Save it, and there you go. It is simple as that. It's creating that file needed for import. So I hope you like this video in creating a TXT file ready for import. I hope this helps, and if you did like this video, please like and subscribe for more to come.